Hi, it's Tanya again, and I'm back with Divorce Hack 22, and we're talking about specialist advice. So, specialist advice could be someone such as an accountant, a financial advisor, could be even a GP. The reason that I'm asking you to get some new advice is because it's always great to get a second opinion. So, if at the moment you've had a long term accountant that you and your husband or your wife have gone to over the years, it's really key to make sure that moving forward, you get independent advice. So there's no conflicts of interest moving forward. I would recommend that you go and get a new accountant and you start with someone fresh. So you interview them. I have lists on my website if you want to go through and you can download them, some questions to ask when you're interviewing people to be on your team, such as accountants, mortgage brokers, financial advisors, and whoever else. Make sure that you actually get someone that you trust, that you want to work with. But starting again fresh, because you've got to realize that most of your circumstances are now going to change. So before, when you looked at your tax returns, for instance, it would have down, health funds, it would have your partner's income. You might now find yourself on some form of pension or some form of other help, maybe tax A and B. All of those things need to be taken into consideration, and it's really important to probably consider getting some independent advice. So moving forward, you are completely separated from your past and you're only now looking at your future.